will it linger on?
This is a test of the Wisconsin Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring important information to you. This test is now concluded.
That was some funky emergency broadcast test, wasn't it? Clarence Wheeler and the Enforcers.
Whoever holds my baby blue tonight.
.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.
Obviously, we're not off the air, and you don't need to tune to another station. That is one device here at the station that we're having trouble with, and the NOAA weather warning, and they're coming to look at that in the not too distant future. So, and you know what we're going to do? We're going to play George Strait all over again, since he was so brutally interrupted.
My mama done told me.
Good morning. This is a test of the Central and East Central Wisconsin Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. The test is now concluded.